Demands of the early nationalists. That means the moderate. The early nationalists wanted the British to introduce certain reforms for the welfare of all the section of Indian society. So the earlier nationalists, they wanted the British rule to introduce different types of methods so that they can do welfare of all the section of Indian society. They believed that the British could grant them their request if they were convinced that the demands were reasonable and justice. So they also believe that the British will grant or they will accept their request if they were convinced that the demands were reasonable and just. So these are the demands of the early nationalists. Next is contribution of the early nationalists. According to some historian, the early nationalist leader failed to achieve their objectives. So according to some historian, it is believed that the early nationalist leader, they failed to achieve their objectives. That means their demands were not accepted by the British rule. There is no doubt some elements of truth in their criticism. However, if we examine the early nationalist phase in the context of their entire movement, the achievement of the Congress become obvious. So we can say that whatever the early nationalists, their demands, their objectives, their methods, it was not at all valid, and with the help of using with these objectives, we cannot achieve the self-independent or we cannot be self-independent, or we cannot achieve independence. The early nationalists established a solid foundation which served as a base for a more radical approach in later years. So the early nationalists established a solid foundation which helped them to make a base or a foundation for the different types of approach in the later years. They spread political awareness among the people and instilled in them a sense of national unity. So they spread the political awareness to all the people, and finally they make their main agenda was to make a sense of national unity. That means all religions should come together. The people began to think of themselves as members of one single nation, the Indian nation. Okay, so the people began to think of themselves as a member of one single nation, that is the Indian nation. The path for United Nations struggle was laid.